Justine Tyndall, and this is the leadership rule number 11. Manage behavior, not results. Create a cookbook or a recipe for success. So, as you know, many sales leaders and many sales managers, they manage numbers, not behavior. So think about that for a second. How many of us are knee-deep in spreadsheets and CRM data every single day? We can tell who's on track or who's not, and we definitely make sure to tell all of our salespeople what their quota is. And they push back on their quota, like every single salesperson generally does, right? There's no way I can hit that number, is what they say. But there's another thing that's missing, and that's because they don't know how to get to that number. They don't know what to do in order to hit that $5 million quota, right? They have no idea, and it's very frightening for them, understandably, because we tend to spend a lot of our time managing the end result. Here's the rule that I want you to follow, or think about at least, as a sales manager. People cannot manage anything that they can't control. Think about that for a second. People can't manage things that they themselves can't control. And as a salesperson, you can't control yeses and you can't control nos. And you can't control the competition, you don't know what they're gonna do, and you can't control the markets. And you definitely can't control interest rates, right? It's completely out of your control, period. But what you can control is your behavior. So here are some things that I need you to do as a sales leader, starting with number 1. Convert your quota into a behavior plan. And that's what we call a recipe for success or a cookbook. So that's all the things that they need to be doing on a daily, weekly, monthly basis that they can control in order to hit that number, in order to be successful. So what that does is it takes this ambiguous, hard to get quota and turns it into something that they can work and do every single day, right? I'm accountable. I have this culture of accountability, of responsibility. I can control my destiny. That's right. And most people know the what, and that's the quota, but they don't know the how. And that's what a cookbook is. So in addition to creating this cookbook or roadmap, it's also good for your psyche. Why? Because once salespeople understand what it takes every single day, I did that today, right? Let's say that I sent out my 10 introductory letters on LinkedIn. I did 2 of this and 3 of that and 4 of this, right? Maybe I didn't make a sale, but I did my daily behaviors. And that mathematically, they basically re-engineered or reverse engineered their sales process, right? I'll hit my number eventually. If I did that today, I can celebrate that. I can say, I did my behavior. And that's great. Because you know what? In sales, we lose more than we win, right? I mean, our self-esteem is getting pounded daily. So a cookbook, it's a great roadmap and it's great for the psyche. So bottom line is, create a cookbook for both your salespeople and you as a sales leader, and watch your numbers jump through the roof. Thanks. Good luck.